Excellency, karibu.
Asante.
Niko sawa, napongo kwa.
Asante. Please sit.
Kumora nje karanza.
Biamone. Biamone naende. Unko kwa kwambo kasimba. Omorogi wa Simba Arati. I have come here to give Paul to the family on behalf of the governor. I went to drop lunch for governor at the stadium. I found Kabos there. And you know Kabos is my good friend. He followed me up to the car. I asked him, now unataka nini? He told me there is a matanga tomorrow. Then I told him tomorrow I will not be in Kisii. Because you know Kabos, you want to bring me to Bomachoge every day. So Kabos, he told me it's for Otiso's brother. I thought now I can go with you because Otiso is a friend. You know, Otiso was the best friend of governor. In campaign. But it reached halfway. When the tree was almost bring fruits. Otiso ran away from that tree. Now he found everybody started enjoying the fruits. He came back. I'm the one who actually welcomed him back. Now that he has become my friend. I'm sure now he cannot leave the fruits out. You know, Bomachoge is the second home of governor. So every time when I come to Bomachoge, I feel at home. Me, I've come to say Pole. And I have a contribution for governor for this family. You know, I'm not a politician. I don't want to beat politics. So let me give my contribution so that I can go home and cook for governor.